Hi babes, and welcome back to the block party. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. It means the world to me. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. Let's have some fun. So today we are going to be talking about July's Boxycharm. If you don't know about Boxycharm, I'm sorry for you. No, I'm just kidding. Boxycharm is the most amazing subscription box that there is. Comes once a month. You pay $21 a month, or they have packages where you could pay for the whole year, you could pay for 3 months or 6 months and save some money. But basically it's $21 a month, gets sent to your house every month, and you get like 4 to 5 full-size makeup products every month. Like not little samples, no, full size. So worth it. And they give you coupons. Coops. So for this one, you get 20% off Wander Beauty and 20% off Pharmacy. So they give you the codes and you just, you know. So in this box, we got, and I love that it tells you, like, you get a little pamphlet every time. It tells you the products, it tells you the price, what they claim, everything like that. So in this box, we got Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, which is like an eye cream type of deal. Then we got Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist, so Tarte setting spray. Then we also got Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara, so, you know, just some lovely mascara. And then we got Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher and Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. So let's dive right in. Let's just get this show on the road. So the first thing we're going to be using today is the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. So this came in taupe. Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Okay. This little package is adorable and perfect for traveling because one side is a brush. Can you see that? One side is a brush, and then the other side is the cream. Cute or what? I freaking think so. So you just dip it in here. I'm assuming. You just dip it in here. And I'm assuming that it's just like a pomade. Let's see. Yeah, that's just a brow cream. Just, you know, like my Anastasia brow pomade or my e.l.f. eyebrow cream, so it should work the same as those two beauties. So let's see. Yeah, I like it. Super creamy, super workable, super pigmented. I mean, this is taupe, and look how dark it is. I'm with it. I'm gonna do my other eyebrow off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I just did both of my brows with the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, and it works really well. Looks really nice. This is just my brows with the eyebrow cream, nothing else. So since there isn't any other eye products in here, I'm gonna do my eyes off camera and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you about the rest of the products. Okay? Okay, so now that I popped on my eyes off camera, let's have a look at what else was in the July Boxycharm, shall we? So the next thing I'm actually really excited for because who doesn't love a good eye cream? So it is the Dr. Brandt No More Needles, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Now, I don't really have puffy under eyes, not super puffy, but this says that it works well for dark circles also. So let's give it a whirl. Let's just see what it's about. So it says, for all skin types, after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. Alright, so I'm going to put a teensy bit. Oh, it's orange. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put a teensy bit on my finger, like I said, warm it up in between my fingers, and then just pat. Pat. Pat, pat, pat. It's like a sticky consistency, which is interesting. Not sure what that's about. Oh, I feel it tightening. Okay. So I guess maybe that's more for bags than dark circles because I feel it really tightening. But I don't know. Maybe it'll help assist out. Who knows? Not sure. So I'm gonna pop my face on and then go to the next product, which is the blush. Okay, so I just put my face, concealer, and bronzer on, and please do not drag me. She is rocking a light under eye today, ladies and gentlemen. I just bought tan foundation and forgot to get my tan concealer, so here we are. Gotta get the tan concealer. It's okay though. It's alright, right? I don't know. We will find out with the completed look if this bright under eye is alright or not. I don't typically love a super bright under eye, but here we are, you know. Your girl just gotta go with it. So I was wrong. The next thing that I'll be using from the Boxycharm is not the blush. It is the setting spray. Tarte Ready Set Radiant Setting Spray. Ooh, that's an aggressive nozzle. Wow. It smells nice though. It smells like aloe or like minty. Oh, can you see? Can you? Okay. All right. It's just in that spot, but need to relax over here. This is like one of the sprays you actually have to use 8 to 6 inches away from your face. Whatever, no biggie. So now let's highlight. It smells really nice though. It smells like mint or like aloe or I don't know, something you find in the rainforest. I don't. Ooh. And a little cute here in my highlighter. Yeah, I mean, setting spray you really have to wear throughout the day to see how it works, how it lasts, how it keeps everything locked in place. But I had a little sample of that and I used it a couple times, but I only wore my makeup for like a couple hours that day, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll put this to the test. I will check in and let you know later. So now I will be using the blush. So that is the Note blush with argan oil in it, which is lovely because argan oil smells great and it's good for your skin. So, in Desert Rose. Ooh. If I could, okay. Little peachy guy, huh? Only tap a couple times. Oh, very powdery. So, only tap a couple times, okay? Yeah, she's cute and peachy. I could work with it. I'm not like a huge blush person, so peachy blushes work for me. So now for the last and final product, Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So I've never seen mascara in a tube like this, but we'll see, honeys. So I'm gonna just put some shadow underneath my eye just to complete the eye look, and then we're gonna test this baby out. Look at this wand, it's like hooked or curved. Interesting. So, that definitely lengthened my mascara. That definitely lengthened my lashes. Yeah. I'm super picky with mascaras, but just what this did for my bottom lashes, I'm sure that if I use it without it, if I'm not wearing fake lashes and I just use this on a regular day, I think it will make my lashes look really, really nice. So, A+ on that. A+ on that. Alright, I'm gonna pop a lip on. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a finished look, babes. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So, to review, I'm just gonna go in order of how it is on here, because yeah. So the first thing on here is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. This is Valentina's fave. It's $42 for this, and obviously got it in the Boxycharm and only paid $21. So automatically saved $20 to $21. Like, what? That's insane. Anywho's it. This, I think it's more for people that have bags under their eyes. I don't have like puffiness under my eyes. I just have dark circles. I did feel it tightening up underneath. So if I feel puffy one day or something, I would definitely use this. But on the regular day-to-day, I don't think I would use this because I still felt like I needed to use my peach concealer after this, my peach color corrector after this. So I think this is more for people with like puffiness, which is what it says. It says ID Puffing Gel, but that's okay. I think it would be great for puffiness. Then the next is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. So I like this. It's definitely a strong spray, so you definitely have to spray it far away, not close up, because I got that little spot action going on. But it smells really nice, and I think it made my skin look good. I think my makeup looks like it's set in place. So, A+. Then the Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I really like this actually. Like, my bottom lashes look popping right now, and I'm excited to try it just on my bare lashes without falsies on to see how much it lengthens and curls. I'm super picky with my mascara, but just from telling how it is on my bottom lashes, I think this is a good one. And this is $24. So again, and the setting spray is $25. Like, you literally cannot beat the price of paying $21 and getting 4 or 5 full-size products. Like, it's just insane. So then the next thing on here is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. This is $11.99, which is fine. And it has argan oil in it, which I really like. And it's super peachy, which I also really like because I'm not a fan of a strong blush. So I loved that. And then last but not least, where is it here? Last but not least, the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This is $26. And this is perfect for traveling. Like, perfect. It's It has the brush on one side, the cream on the other. It looks just like my Anastasia pomade, just like my e.l.f. lock-on liner and brow cream. It looks really good, and it's compact like this, brush and pomade in one. You cannot get better than that. You just can't. So, I mean, overall, there wasn't anything that I didn't like. Overall, A+ on this box, Boxycharm. So, thank you so much, because it was a winner. Everything in the box was a winner. A+, A+, A+. Thumbs up. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't subscribe to Boxycharm already and you are a makeup lover, just go on their website, check them out, subscribe. You will not regret it. This video is not sponsored. I don't care. I love Boxycharm that much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.